Now we are going to do the third sum. Find any 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. In the previous sum, the denominator sum we can easily write. Here we use the formula method. How will we use the formula is half into the two numbers a plus b. This number we denote this number as a, this number as b. When we add these two number and divide it by 2, we get the number which lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. Now listen, if you have doubt, now listen. This is a number line. Here this one is a. We mark this one as 2. This one as 4. The number lies between 2 and 4. There are so many numbers lies between 2 and 4. Now can you say, we add these two numbers, 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 divided by 2. A, this one is A, this one is B, and divide it by 2. We add these two numbers and divide it by 2. We get the middle number. 2 plus 4, 6 by 2. Now 1 to 3. Did you get it? In the same manner only here we are going to find half into A plus B. When we add these two numbers and divide it by 2, we get the middle numbers. Next, rational number. Did you understand? Yes. Now tell me, we want to find 5 rational numbers. So we are taking the 5 rational numbers. Let Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5 be 5 rational. This one is example, okay? 5 rational numbers. Now only we are going to do the solution of this sum. Yes, first given what? A, right? Given A equal to 1 by 4 and B equal to 1 by 5. Now what is the formula? We are going to find the first rational number Q1 equal to, now what is the formula? Half into A plus B. A plus B. Now tell me, half, what is the value of A? 1 by 4. What is the value of B? 1 by 5. Now half into, can you add these numbers? No, because the denominators are different. We want to take LCM. There is any common divisor between 4 and 5? No. So just you can multiply and write. Multiply and write. Otherwise, if you want to take LCM, means you want to take 4, 5. So divisor, 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is. Now 2, 1, 5 as it is. Again 5, 1, 1. What is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 is the LCM. There is no common divisor, means we multiply the denominator and cross multiply. Now 1 5 is 5, 1 4 is 4, 5 plus. Now 1 by 2 into, first you want to change the 5 plus 4, 9 by 20. Now 1 9 is 9, 9 by 40. This is the first rational number. It lies between 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. Okay, it lies between them. Next we want to find next rational number. It is denoted by 5. Now listen, I'm wrong. This one is 1 by 4, 1 by 5. 1 by 4, 1 by, we find this middle number 9 by 40. Again we can find here one rational number, here one rational number. In between these two we get one number. In between this we can find one rational number. In between this one we can find one rational. புரியுதா? இப்போ ஒரு நம்பர் லைனில் 1 by 4 இங்கே இருக்கும், இந்த எண்டில் இருக்கும், 1 by 5 அந்த எண்டில் இருக்கும். இப்போ 9 by 10 நம்ம மிடில் நம்பர் கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இனி இது ரெண்டுக்கு இடையில இருக்க மிடில் நம்பர் கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். அடுத்து அந்த இந்த மிடில் நம்பருக்கும் இந்த நம்பருக்கு இடையில வரணும் rational number கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். இப்படி தான் போயிட்டே இருக்கும். Now listen, we are going to find next rational number Q2. Now here we are using 1 half into A plus Q1. A plus Q1, this one. A plus Q1. Now half into, what is the value of A? 1 by 4. Now what is the value of Q1? 9 by 40. Now can you add these numbers? No, because the denominators are different. We want to take LCM. There is a common divisor, so we take LCM. 40. Now 4 table means 1 for 10. Again 10 table 1 1. So what is the LCM? 40. LCM is 40. This number is multiplied by which number? 10. Okay, 4 is here, so we multiply by 10. 1 into 10 plus here 40, so you multiply by 1. Half into, now 10 plus 9 by 40 equal to half into 19 by 40. Now 19 by 119 is 19, 2 40s are 80. This is a second rational number. Now we are going to find third rational number Q3. Here we are using the formula half into A plus Q2. A plus Q2. Now half into A value is what? 1 by 4. What is the value of Q2? Here we find 19 by 80. 19 by 80. Can you add these two numbers? No, because now we take it's in 40, 80. Now 4 table means 120. Now next in 4 means 1 5. Now as it is. Now what is LCM? 4 4s are 16. 16 5s are what? 80. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Now 1 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 80. So what is LCM? 80. So you want to multiply this number by what? Here 4 is there. So you multiply this number by 20. The remaining numbers 4 into 5 20. Now 1 by 2 into 1 into 20 divided by 4 into 20. We get what? 80. 19 in here you multiply by 1. 80 into 1. 1 by 2. 120 is 20 plus 19 by, here both are denominator 80. Now change the bracket. 20 plus 9, 39 by 80. Now 39 by 80 means 39 by 160. We want to find 5. We find up to 3 rational numbers Q3. And then 2 more rational numbers there. Q4. Q4 is 1 by half into A plus Q3. Now half into, what is the value of A? 1 by 4. What is the value of Q3? 39 by 160. Now can you add this? No, because the denominator we take LCM. 460 means what is LCM? 4 1 4 4s are 16 here. Next 4 means 1 10. Again 2 means 5. Here which number you want to multiply? 4 is there. The remaining numbers. Now 10, 40. You want to multiply this number by 40. The numerator, denominator. 4 into 40 plus 39 is multiplied by 1. Half into 40 by 39 by half into 40 plus 39, 79 by 160. Now 179 and 79, 2 16s are 320. Again one more. This one is Q4. We found to find up to Q5 rational numbers. Next Q5 equal to what is the formula? 1 half into A plus Q4. Now half into what is the value of A? 1 by 4. What is the value of Q4? 79 by 320. Again we are going to take LCM because the denominators are different. 324 means 1, 8 4s are 32, 0. Now 4 means 20. Now 5 means, so here which number you want to 4 as it is? 4 5s are 20, 24s are 80. You want to multiply. 4 into 80 plus 79 by 320. Now half into 180 is 80. 8 4s are 32. If the last number is 0 means we multiply the number and add the 0. 79 by 320. First we add. Now 0 plus 9. Add 1's place. 9. 8 plus 7. 15. Now 320. Next you multiply the numerator. 159 divided by 32. 64. 0. So this one is the last. Now what's our question? Hence the 5, we want to find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. Hence 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5 are, now tell me what's up, 9 by 40, 19 by 80, 39 by 160, 79 by 320, 159 by 640. That's the answer.